Uri Hashem, c'est Shabbos. Uri Hashem, c'est Shabbos.
Welcome back again to kosher.com. My name is Yossi Weiss. Today, I have a special guest. Let me introduce to you, for the first time on a kosher.com cooking show, Raphael! Yeah! Fuck on! There we go. Raphael is the celebrity here today. Raphael,
What?
are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Yes, I am!
Yeah.
All right. We're gonna make some yummy rice today.
Yes.
You're gonna help me. You like rice?
I love rice.
You love rice. Okay, here we go. You're gonna be my helper. I'm gonna tell you what we have to do.
Yes. Okay.
Okay?
Got it.
Now, we're gonna put in a little olive oil. Okay, perfect. Now we got the olive oil in. We're gonna make this rice. It's gonna be a curry rice, okay?
Okay.
We have a bunch of stuff we're gonna put in here, okay? We have garlic, we have ginger, we have all different types of spices, we have diced salami, we're gonna put in some scallions, we're gonna do some carrots, all different types of mushrooms. We have shiitake mushrooms,
Okay.
we have portobello mushrooms,
Okay.
regular button mushrooms.
Okay.
You like mushrooms?
I love it.
Me too. Over here we have a little leek.
Okay.
Okay, it's gonna make yummy, and then we're gonna put the rice in. It's gonna be so yummy.
Yeah.
Okay, I think you should tell your mother to do this for the Purim Suda.
I definitely agree with that.
You agree with that, right?
Right.
You make this for the Purim Suda, everybody's gonna love it. And then they're gonna say it's for fall's rice.
Exactly.
Fall, what's your favorite food?
My favorite food is rice.
Rice. Who's your favorite singer?
Yaakov Shweki.
Yaakov Shweki. What's your favorite song? What's your most famous song?
Mama.
Mama mai, mama mai, matoy v'o elecha Yaakov.
Wow.
Wow, wow. Take this and mix it. Good job. Excellent. Now this is a little garlic.
Okay.
You gotta go like this. Put it all in. This is called ginger. I chopped it up, put in the whole thing.
Fine.
Yeah, fine. Oh, super pumped. Can we do a selfie?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do so. Come in. Come in. There you go. All right. Perfect. Put the salami in.
Okay.
There you go. You did a great job. Look.
Did it?
Look at it. You're a professional.
Of course.
All right. Now we're gonna put in some carrots. Let me see.
All right.
What I don't know what they called it in your house. In my house, when I grew up, this was called ribas. Hashtag ribas. What do they call it in your house? You're a grape. Same? Also ribas? Ribas. We're gonna add the carrots, okay?
All right.
You like carrots also?
I love that. My favorite thing ever.
Your favorite thing ever?
Yeah.
Yeah. Have some carrot. Have a carrot. Yummy, right? Delicious.
Yeah.
Delicious. Put in the carrot. Go like this. Put in the carrot. Yeah. Beautiful. You're doing such a good job, Rafael.
Yeah.
I think I'm just gonna go home. I'm gonna let you finish this whole thing. I don't even know why. I don't even know why I'm here.
Better cook.
You're a better cook.
Yeah. Together.
Together. Oh. I'm gonna chop up some scallions. We're gonna put in later. Rafael, you like Purim?
I love my favorite holiday.
Your favorite holiday is what? Purim?
Purim and Persian-Style.
Purim and Persian-Style?
And Hanukkah.
And Hanukkah? What do you like about Purim?
Anything.
Everything?
Yeah.
You have a drink? Oh, you have a drink on Purim?
I did.
You did, but you don't anymore.
No, but this year I'm be like out of the wall, drunk.
You gonna be out of the world drunk?
Yeah.
Why do you get drunk, Rafal, for?
I don't know why. I just enjoy it.
Now we're gonna add some mushrooms.
All right.
Put in like 2 handfuls. Oh, that's a big handful. There you go. All right. While you're mixing, Rafal, I'm gonna put some salt and pepper in, okay? I'm gonna add some turmeric, some curry, a little crushed red pepper flakes. Oh, okay.
Looks great.
Looks great.
The best out of the world.
Out of the world. Rafal, look what I got for you over here. Look what I got for you. You told me that you like pineapple juice.
Yeah.
Are you in the mood for a little some cold, delicious, yummy pineapple juice?
Yeah.
Yeah, right? I'm not gonna put it in the rice though. There we go. Here we got some yummy pineapple juice. Make a breath, let me hear.
What I thought that 20 years ago.
Oh man! Listen, this is what I'm gonna do now. This is gonna start getting hard. I'm gonna add the rice in here, okay?
All right.
Then we're gonna have to mix up all this rice. Yeah, it's gonna be very hard.
It's easy. Father relaxed. I'm the best relaxed ever.
Your father's relaxing? Of course. You have a good father. He's chilling.
Yeah, he's an awesome guy ever.
He's an awesome guy, your father, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. He wanted to help you. You didn't let him.
No. I got stuff.
You got this.
Yeah.
You sure?
Of course, bring it up.
You don't need your father's help.
No, man, I'm good.
You're good. All right. You got this.
Yeah, exactly.
All right. Rafal, you want to add the scallions over there?
Yeah.
All right. Why don't you put it right in here? There's a little cilantro. You can put it in. Sure. Go right ahead. Good job. Rafal,
What?
tell me, are you totally ready to taste this?
Yes, I am.
All right.
Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah! Are you ready to taste?
Yeah.
Rafal, you want to taste with a little bit of wine, maybe?
Yeah, quiet with the wine.
With a little wine?
Come on.
Not too much, though.
It's fine, don't worry.
Don't worry. You can handle it.
I can't handle any type of wine.
How about some? What does it say over here? Can you read that?
Followed her duck.
Very good. Baron Herzog.
Bambuza.
You like Baron Herzog?
Of course, why not?
Of course. All right.
What is this?
A little bit of wine. Let's put this over here, and then we're gonna have some wine, okay?
All right.
Well, until then, we're gonna have to taste a little bit of the rice.
Okay, here we go.
Here we go.
So excited. That's
Wow.
I'm ready for this.
Ready for this? And I need you to tell everybody how delicious it is.
Wait, name of the night.
Oh man!
I love it around the world. It's the best around the world.
What's the best?
Yeah.
You think when Achashverosh made a Suda in Persia, do you think he served rice like this?
No, they did not.
He didn't.
No.
What did he serve over there?
Not the good stuff.
Not the good stuff?
No.
This is much better.
Yeah.
So tasty.
That's
The best.
yeah.
Yeah, you like it, right?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna do the hunt. Well, you can finish your rice. You don't have to do it now. Finish your rice. You like the rice, right?
Yeah, love it.
Fall. Special guest, superstar,
Yes.
celebrity. What else? What else do we have to say about you, Fall? Nothing else to say. You're just a celebrity.
Celebrity, lovely person.
Lovely person.
Yeah.
Excellent. So you can finish your rice, Fall. I'm gonna wait until we make a look on it.
I'm done.
You're done?
Bawa, Adonai, the Hindu Mechayim, wait with Gafen.
Amen.
Hi.
L'chaim, brother. You're the best. Nobody like you. Nobody like you. You're the best. Give me a you drop. Come on, we did this. We did this together. Rafal, the celebrity, right here on kosher.com.
Yes.
Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, peace out.
Yes.
There we go, Rafal, you did it. Woo! Rafal, you did it! Yeah! Yeah! Rafal, you did it! Yeah! Rafal, you did it! Yeah! Yeah! You went to school today?
Yeah, a little bit.
A little bit. What school do you go to?
High school.
High school?
On Oak Street.
On Oak Street?
Yes.
You ever get in trouble with Sean?
Not really.
Come on. You know how many times I got in trouble in school?
It's not appropriate time to discuss it.
Uri Hashem se Shabbos.